Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to set properties of various controls. So we have already created one application of calculator. Now let's add one more form into our application. To add a new form, go to Solution Explorer, right click on the main application and click on Add New Item. Now I want to add window form, so click on the window form, give name to the form. I am giving properties and click on the add. So new form will be added. So in this example we will see how to set properties of the form. We have already set the properties of the control like text box, label control and button control. We can also set properties of the form. So to set the property of the form, right click on the form and select properties. To display the title of the form, text property is used. If you change the text property, then that property will change the title of the form. If I want to set simple example, then title of the form will be changed. Here we can see the title of the form is changed. We can also set various property like back color, background image layout and various other properties. So on the page load event, I want to set the property which is the back color of the form. Then let's code it to change the background color property of the form. So I want to set the property of current form, so me is used. Me dot back color is equal to color dot select the color which you want to set. I want to set cyan and enter. So when the page will be loaded, the color property of the form will be changed on page load event. Now we have two forms. One is the properties and other is the form 1. Now I want to set startup form. So to set the startup form, go to the project, main application properties and select startup form as a properties. Now our startup form is properties. Now let's run. We can see the color of the form is changed, which is done on the page load event of the form. We can also change the color property or any property on the click event or any controls event. So let's do it on the click event of the button. So I want to set various value of the RGB and according that I want to change the color property of the form. So I am designing form to do this. So you can see we have created one form which accepts the three values of R, G and B. Now when we click on the button, which is the change button, the color of the form will be changed according to the value which is entered into the text boxes. So let's code to do this. Click on the change button and declare three variable R, G, B. Now I am storing the txt r's value into r variable. Now I want to set the back color property of the form. So write me dot back color is equal to, I want to set the property of the form using these arguments. So write color dot form argb, pass the value of the variable into form argb, and now let's run this form. Enter the value from 0 to 255 to 30 and blue's value into 2. Click on the change. We can see the color will be changed according to the value of R, G and B passed into the text box. So this is how we can set the various properties of the forms and any control. So this is about how to set various property of various controls and forms. Thank you.